protected by the state. There's about 40 horses out there, and there's some babies. And they've been at the far end. They've been moving around a lot more the last couple of weeks. Down, you'll see sandbars, you'll see waves breaking on them. That's where you get the sand dollars. Let's get around the corner for swimming. The water is real warm right now. Great for swimming.
Look. Is it on? Can you hear us? Are we rolling?
Yes. See me in the glasses? Hi! So here we are on some island. As soon as I figure out which one it is, I'll insert here. But it was pretty cool. They dropped us off. And we have this island along with a few other people, not a whole lot. And I'm going to go do some shelling. So we are on Bird Shoal Island.
Yep.
And I think over there is Fort Macon, which we will be visiting, I hope, on this trip. And there's the general view. Not too bad. I'm pretty sure that's what he said.
She said be careful. She said be careful when you go that way. Where the X's are, you don't want to upset the oyster traps.
Oh, okay. I won't go that way then. So I'm going to go do some shelling here. There's something living in these little holes. So I saw something pop up before. I hope it's not rats. I have a thing against rats. But I'm guessing they're not rats. What I found so far. They're cute. Look at this cute little one. So pretty. My shell collection. I always need the shells when I go to the beach. And the thing is, you don't remove any live creatures. But I don't want to remove any live creatures, so we're good. Also, they generally say don't walk in the dunes because that kills the grass, and I have no intention of doing that either. I'm just going to walk along and see what I can find. I always like these. I always call them slipper shells, but I don't know what they're really called. But they look like little slippers. I'm gonna leave these two. I had them off exploring. Well, there's a lot of shell stuff here. A little small, but I'm really hoping to find a shark's tooth. At least there's something here to find. I picked up a good heavy amount of... My bag is getting quite heavy with shells. That makes me happy. I found some really cool looking things. I'm thinking it's going to make a neat necklace. We'll see. That over there is Sand Dollar Island. And you can see there's a ton of people on there, and I guess that's why. There's supposed to be sand dollars here. I didn't find any, but I'm okay with that. I really just wanted a shark's tooth. There's my boo. She's not much for treasure hunting. She likes to establish a spot and make exits. And this is her way of relaxing, listening to the waves. Me, I like treasure hunting. Maybe I'll find Blackbeard's treasure. Arg.
Little white water there? Like it's bad. You think it's just the water bouncing off something solid?
Yeah.
It's a mini island?
Uh-huh. I was thinking it would be,
And that's
dolphins.
without a kayak. Damn it.
I know. Well, do you want to get a kayak tomorrow? I mean, this part should be pretty safe for us to do.
I just I see it going so wrong.
Well, I'm not going anywhere without a life vest. Because I can't swim.
I don't think you need a life vest.
I don't care.
I don't care.
What do you think those big things out there are?
This big thing.
Yeah.
I have absolutely no idea.
And that over there looks like it's part of an old pier, maybe. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, there's a lot of people on there. Apparently that's Sand Dollar Island.
Where?
Over there. Where those... Yeah. The ones that are moving.
Why do people want sand dollars?
I don't know. Here is my seashell haul. Get all the sand out. So, nothing super spectacular, but I'm happy. Got a lot of these cool looking ones with these cool ridges in them. Got black scallops. I decided that if I ever open a restaurant I will name it Black Scallop. Oh, look at this cool little thing. It has like a little baby shell on the end. And all that. Pretty big. That must have been huge. Full size. I mean, most people wouldn't think it's anything spectacular, but I think it's pretty cool. They got some that have the prettiest coloring to them. Some that just look big and cool, like look at this one with the barnacle. There might even be coral growing on the inside. I love these with the swirly. A lot of fossils in here. There's little black ones. Has some nice color to it. This cool little swirly thing. And this, I don't know what it is. But did you ever see people with like super long fingernails and they get really super weird and curly? Don't know what it was, but I thought it was pretty cool. Who knows, it could be pasta. And I like the ones that gotten like, you can tell they've gotten a lot of wear. They got all these little holes in them. And I like the ones that have little pocket inside. Kind of like a little slipper. I used to call them slippers. Don't know what this is, but I thought it was big and cool. Maybe it's a bone. Some are better shaped than others. A lot of cute little ones. I love cute little ones. I love twisty ones. There's a nice twisty one. It's funny how, like, when you're actually picking them up at the beach, they're so much more vivid with color than they are now. Oh, here's another cool one. Pretty sure that's a fossil. Another pasta one. Some more coral. And this one's super cute. Oh, lost it. There it is over there. But I love the color. And the stripes. So, anyway. That's what I found at the beach. And I'm happy. Can't wait to go back to the beach to find more stuff. Thanks for watching.